y'all, check out how I accomplished this protective style. Alright, it's time for Operation Mini Twist. You're going to want to start on freshly washed and detangled hair. I start by taking my wide tooth comb and separating my hair into 4 separate sections. I find it easiest to part my hair from front to back and then across the middle of my head from ear to ear. However, you can part your hair whichever way is easiest for you. After parting my hair, I'll then go ahead and make sure that I bantu knot or clip the sections of hair to keep them separated. This just makes the overall styling process a lot easier. Clips are great if your hair doesn't stay in bantu knots or if it's a little shorter. Whatever works for you, you can utilize either hair ties, clips, or just tucking your hair within itself. Once your hair is secured on one side, you'll go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side of your head, simply parting down towards your ear from the middle of your head, and then you'll go ahead and separate those sections of hair just to keep them all out of the way for an easy styling process. Once your hair is separated into 4 different quadrants, then it's time to go ahead and style. First product I'm applying is the Mielle Organics Honey and Pomegranate Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and squirt a liberal amount into my hand, and then I'm going to work this product in from root to tip, just making sure that each hair strand is thoroughly coated so that my hair is moisturized. Once I've applied enough leave-in conditioner, I'm then just going to take my finger and make a part into a smaller section so that I can begin the mini twists in my hair. If you are particular about your parts, feel free to use a rat tail comb or some other styling tool to go ahead and help you get super straight parts. I'm not overly concerned about all of my parts being straight, so I'm fine with my fingers. So once I have that section, I'm just going to go ahead and clip the excess hair out of my way before I grab my Mielle Organics Honey and Pomegranate Twisting Souffle, which by the way smells amazing. And then I'm going to split this small section of hair into 2 separate sections, clipping the excess hair out of the way like I did with the larger section of hair. Now that we have the section of hair we'll be working with, go ahead and take that twisting souffle, apply it to those fingertips, and rake it through this section of hair, making sure that each strand is coated. You also want to make sure that your hair is damp during this process. I find that it helps the style stick a little better, so if your hair is dry, grab that water bottle and apply some more moisture. Now let the twisting begin. Once I complete this twist, I'm going to go ahead and remove that other small section of hair I clipped away and continue this process throughout my entire head. You can see here that I have twisted up a good portion of my hair at this point, but I wanted to show you guys a little more closely how I do this twist. So again, I'm just taking 2 sections of hair and crossing them over each other, working my way from the scalp all the way down to the ends of my hair. And you can see here that there is some excess product, but that's okay because I want to make sure that these twists are super juicy. This particular twist was a little too juicy, so I'm just going to rake some of this product off of this twist, and you can see it's all over my hands, and I'll just use this for the next section of hair. And there you have it, a protective style that will last you a couple of weeks, mini twists on natural hair.